Good morning, dear children. This is Astha Mishra. Today I am teaching you subject Maths, Chapter 3, Subtraction. This is a session 3. Today topic is subtracting from zeros. So, children, when we have to subtract a number from a number containing zero, we carry out the process in the same ways as other numbers. Let us look at an example. Example, subtract 424 from 601. Okay, so first write the numbers in columns. So write first one. This is a 3-digit number, so 100, tens, ones. Okay, 6, 0, 1 and 4, 2, 4. Subtraction sign. Okay. Now children, first we do subtract the ones place. So 1 is a smaller number, 4 is a greater number. So it cannot be subtracted from 1. Okay, so we need to regroup the tens and ones, but there are 0 tens, so we regroup the hundreds. Okay, so 600 is equal to given to tens, so 6, it is a 500. Okay, then here is 10 tens. 10 plus 0 is equal to 0, so it is 10 tens. Now 1 tens given to ones. So we subtract 1. There is 9 and there is 11. Okay, so 11 ones minus 4 ones. Now we can subtract because this is the bigger number and this is the smaller number. So 11 ones minus 4 ones is equal to 7 ones. 9 tens minus 2 tens. So, yes, tell me answer. Yes, 7 tens. Okay, now 500 minus 400. So what number we get? Yes, 100. So our answer is 100, 7 tens, 7 ones. Is that clear, children? Okay. Now come to the exercise 3.2. This is your exercise. Find the difference. There is given question. First one. (3.2). Find the difference. Question number A. H T O 8 0 3 2 1 8. Okay, children. Now let us start to do. See, 3 is a smaller number and 8 is a bigger number. So what we do? We need to regroup the tens and ones again because tens also a 0. So 8 is going to be cut and coming here 1 tens. So this is going to be tens. 1 tens is coming here ones. This become 13. Let's cut 9. Okay. Now do subtraction 13 minus 8. Yes. 5. Now 9 minus 1. 8. 7 minus 2. 5. This is your answer, 585. So, like that, similar question B also, D also, and F also. Okay, so you have to do, this is also very easy. Look, F1. 8 minus 2, 6. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, children. Now, come here. 0 is a smaller number. 7 is a big number. So, we need to regroup from tens. So, 4 is given to here. So, this is 10. And 4 tens becomes to 3. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. Now one more question. Okay, do. C1. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 2 minus 5, is it possible? No, because 2 is a smaller number, 5 is a bigger number. So, 100 is given to 1 tens here. This is 12, this is 6. 12 minus 5 is equal to? Think. Tell me. Okay, 7. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, children. Okay. Only 3 questions are left. You have to do yourself and write down date here. Today date 28. And children, do this book exercise only your book. No need to write in your copy. That's all for today. Complete your book work and stay at home. Have a good day. Bye-bye.